K.house by Concept plus KOHARCHITECTS in Phan Thiet, Vietnam. K.house is a garden house in the center of Phan Thiet City. It is a new house built entirely based on the memories, lifestyle, and living habits of the old house where the family has lived for over 30 years. Memories of a quicksand road leading from the small gate to the house. On both sides were 2 long rows of sugarcane, later replaced by 2 rows of custard apple trees, then a row of boarding houses. When we conceptualized the house 3 years ago, we wanted to create a new space, tropical modern, but had to ensure 2 main tasks. One is to optimize the 2 available garden areas, the other is to preserve old values such as the small path leading to the house, and the old spaces, altar room, mother's bedroom, well, are still kept. The locations are almost intact to maintain a familiar feeling in family activities. We divided the house vertically to balance the 2 elements of family activities and accommodation services. The problem is that the house can be separated into 2 spaces for 2 households, multi-generation, to use with full functions such as kitchen, dining table, living room, and bedroom. It can be opened and closed flexibly when needed, ensuring functionality and privacy. The backbone and main traffic axis connecting the front and back garden, courtyard, are 2 long parallel corridors. You can fully feel the sound, smell of grass, and cool view no matter your room. Although there is only the ground floor, we use a large exposed iron truss system to increase height and airiness, inspired by typical resort buildings in Mui Na such as Saigon Mui Na Resort, architect Nguyen Phan Thiet, Jai Beach Club. Combined with natural materials such as Ton Hoa yellow and black tangled stone. The simple furniture combines wood with leather and rattan lanterns to give the space a tropical feel,